What's up? Just setting up here, so give me 10 minutes, as always. I'm gonna have a chat down here. It's so like quiet. Should we have some? I have some vibe coding music, at least while we warm up. Set the vibe. Set the vibe coding. We'll go just camera as well. Ooh yeah, I put it on like this. Yeah. Yep. All right. Okay. Sweet. We'll just wait, let people join. I have a chill playlist that let's vibe out to it. I think, yeah. Okay. Android or iPhone? Android. What's up, user tech? We are getting started here. Trying to figure out, like, what if I have the... What if I have... No, that doesn't work. Same user from the first video. Which first video? I'm sorry, bro. There's so many users. It's hard to know who's who. Ronald Duck, on the other hand, that's a memorable name. Yeah, we're looking into Taskade today. I'm just trying to figure out what I could put on the side of my screen. Since we have a lot of TikTok users, what if we do Tickfinity? Here. Yeah, Ronald Duck with the likes. I could like do that. Top likers. Here, yeah, this is good. Hello. All right. Android, bro. I already said Android. Android phone, Samsung S22, I believe. Yeah, okay, so this stream we're looking into Taskade. And I think it's very powerful. It seems to be able to do a lot, like build AI agents, workflows, automations, that kind of stuff. Also, you know, a lot more. We're gonna find out, so let's have a look. Actually, I should have kept my headphones in because we're gonna watch this video. Ronald Duck getting this up to 500 likes. Let's go. All right, let's watch this. You have an S24 Ultra. Thinking of switching to iPhone, is it worth it? Yeah, different things from an iPhone. If you want that stuff, then yeah, maybe. Yo, Tentacle Pink and Senku, welcome. Thanks for the like. All right, let's watch this. Used to be like.
Hey there, and welcome to an insightful journey through Taskade, your next level tool for productivity and project management. Whether you're a team leader, a creative professional, or just someone looking to streamline your workflow, Taskade's AI assistant is here to transform how you work. This guide is designed to unveil the power of Taskade's AI assistant, a feature-rich assistant that simplifies complex tasks, organizes ideas, and enhances collaboration. Imagine a workspace where efficiency meets innovation, where your ideas take shape effortlessly. That's the power of Taskade AI. So let's get started on this journey together to discover how Taskade AI can redefine your approach to work, making every task simpler, smarter, and more synchronized. So Taskade AI is more than just a tool, it's a productivity partner that's really helped to streamline your work processes. We're gonna explore in this video how Taskade AI can revolutionize your daily tasks. So let's get started with this.
Goblin tools? Haven't ever used Goblin tools.
First of all, you can open AI Assistant pretty easily in 3 ways. First, you can go to the top right and click Taskade AI. And from there, you can adjust the persona and the tone of the Taskade AI agent. And what you can do following that is also close the panel. And if you go inside of any project, what you can do is actually click right there onto any task and click on the AI button. Moving forward with that, if you go into any of the nodes or subtasks, you also can do /AI, and you'll see a different list of AI and AI agents. Following that, you can type a prompt within here that allows you to document in SOP, just like this. And essentially what this is gonna do is put in an AI command that then allows you to implement new things inside of your AI system. Now, below that, you can also just quickly prompt the AI, and we can choose from any of these or write in our own prompts, which would create and expand on what we've already talked about. As you can see, this is going to go above and beyond what was placed before. We can insert, replace, or reject.
How to get access to live? I think you need 1,000 followers to go live on TikTok. That's what it used to be. And then you can use, like, there's a Windows app called TikTok Live Studio. You can use that. But if you want a stream key, you need to sign onto like a talent agency.
Generate the text as well as instruct Taskade AI to continue. Now next we're going to talk about mastering commands. With AI Assistant, we're going to transition now to dive deeper into the AI commands that make Taskade a powerhouse. Understanding and utilizing these commands effectively can significantly enhance your project management experience. Imagine that you can seamlessly just integrate AI into your workflow without even thinking about it. Let's dive right into it. So firstly, let's use /brainstorm to generate creative ideas for our project. All we need to do is go to the beginning and generate some ideas like this on content ideas on how to become a YouTuber. Then if we press brainstorm, what this is going to do is it's actually going to generate some ideas utilizing that brainstorm function. So
That's pretty cool. Well, what programming languages do I develop with? These days it's mostly like Python or JavaScript.
then after this is all created out, you can see right here that it's going to be a really cool opportunity to then press insert. And from there, all of this is listed out. And all we need to do after that is utilize the outline function. As you can be seen right here, I'm going to grab a quick quote for outline a guide on how to become a YouTuber. And then if we write outline, from there, we now will have a bunch of different information on a guide on how to become a YouTuber.
Isn't this a prompt library beautified in a pretty UI? Yeah, I mean, so far that's what they've shown. It's just like, you know, LLMs generating text with, you know, prompts predefined. But I'm pretty sure Taskade can do a lot more, and hopefully we'll get to that soon.
Perfect. Prompt is going to be expanding on.
I'll probably try to skip to
thing
it.
that is cool here that you can do is you can utilize the AI multi-select.
It's probably
which
not
is
in
not
this
just a feature,
section,
but
to be honest. All right, let's move on. I think you're right. Like, you know, this prompt library stuff not that interesting. We've seen it before. So let's move on to like the cool agentic stuff if we can find that. All right, next, getting started. Okay, so it's kind of like Notion that you have these like pages. You know, like you put icons, due dates, assignees, tags. Your first project, task, subtask, format task, set dates, collaborate with an assistant, chat with your docs, list the projects, mind map, that's pretty cool. Can it do like research, project chats? Okay, so that was it on get started. I'm pretty sure like Taskade can link to like, you know, external tools and stuff as well. All right, what's my tasks? Okay, so you can assign tasks to do. So I don't know, let's just run through a scenario. So I don't know if you guys saw on X, but OpenAI made a Sui bench kind of thing. What's it called? Not Sui bench. Someone linked it in my Discord. Pierre did. Let me have a look. This Sui launcher. Okay. Oh, Sui Lancer, sorry. So it's like a benchmark made up of like upward software engineering tasks, and these are all like together valued at, you know, $1 million or more. And you know, it's just like a benchmark to see how well these AI agents do at coding. I think it's really cool. We definitely need more stuff like this. So shout out to OpenAI for doing this. Now, I don't wanna read this. I wanna see if I can get, you know, Taskade to, you know, like research this, make some notes, or like even a video script for me. I don't know how possible that is, but we're gonna have a try. Did I try any type? Doesn't have an AI, but it's pretty cool. No, I haven't seen that either. I'll quickly Google it. Any type, native on mobile. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's like a note-taking thing. No, I've never tried this. The Everything app. Trust and autonomy. Local first, peer-to-peer. Open source. Awesome. This looks really cool. Thanks for bringing that up. No, I haven't tried it though. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so we can do workspaces. If you go here, there's like prompt templates. Taskade AI. I wonder if this can research. I don't know if it can. Okay, so look, I press slash, you see all the commands here. But yeah, you're right. These are all kind of like prompt. I swear I saw something about like it being able to let's look into agent. Oh, research assistant. Exactly. Here we go. Okay, so they have agents that you can build that you can add tools to. Yeah, perfect. Okay, this is exactly what I was after. Let me make this bigger if it's a bit small for some people on their mobile devices. Yeah, so you can customize your agent and give it tools, knowledge. Oh, perfect. Yeah, this is exactly what I want. Chat with your agent. Yeah, and you can even share your agent to other users. Oh, thanks for all the likes, Ronald. Yeah, so search web. It's definitely one I want. Scrape a web page, search web. Oh, sweet. So you can even give it specific links for it to scrape. You can add tools. Look here, we got Slack, email, Google Sheets, WordPress, Twilio, Discord. Oh, sick. This is really good. Teams, WhatsApp, X, LinkedIn, Google Docs, Google Calendar, Google Drive. Yeah, quite a lot of tools. There's also automation, so getting it to do stuff autonomously, I assume, make decisions and streamline workflows. That's really good. Again, with Slack, Google Sheets, Typeform, Google Form, Webflows, Calendly, and Taskade itself has prompt templates that we can use. This is really good. So by default, looks like they give you one agent already configured, and that's the research agent. So let's try that out without me configuring it, and then we can make our own specific agent on using this later. Let me read the chat here as well. Desimwe, hey, oh, first on Twitch, welcome, bro. Have you tested out the new Grok? No, I checked it when they announced it. I didn't have access on X, so I haven't tested it out. Yeah, and they don't have an API either, so I wouldn't be able to use it with my coding agents, and that's pretty much what I'm most excited for when a new model drops. Otherwise, for my use case, like, I don't really need the smartest like reasoning model. Okay, so let's see if we can get this research assistant to do research on SWE Lancer, which I just said is the new software engineering benchmark by OpenAI released today. I want to know, like, we can ask it some questions, and let's see if the research assistant can find stuff about it. So I don't know if this is how it works. I'm just going to ask a question. It might take more than just that to get this to work, but we'll see. So I'm going to say do research on the new SWE Lancer released by OpenAI. Compose .point facts. Include answers to how easy is it to run the benchmark. I'm gonna mention that this was released on the 18th of Feb 2025, just so it gets all the new data. How easy is it to run the benchmark? That's a big reason why SWE bench is annoying. It's like, I don't think it's very easy to run with these AI coding agents. But okay, so what other things should we ask? Like, how many different programming languages, I guess, are included? What else should we ask? And any other, yeah, okay. Include answers to these and more. Okay, let's see. All right, let's see what that does. Okay, tools. Okay, so we have search web as a tool. So that's pretty much what we want it to use for now. And there goes our research agent. Alex says they managed to run DeepSeek 600B locally. Damn, what was your hardware? Senko asks, would you release or let an AI code in a language you are not proficient at? Yeah, of course, do that all the time. You just gotta kind of know like what it's doing, or have trust in the AI model. There's like ways to mitigate malicious code, but yeah. I mean, generally I'm very pro AI. You have 8 H100s, Alex, that's crazy. How'd you get all that? All right, you can see it's completed the web page research, and we can actually expand this, right? Can we? No, we can't. We can hover over this to see what it searched for, which is really cool. and you can see the websites that it's went on, which is nice. So you see it's actually gone to a few different sites here. Looks like 4 different sites. And now here's the summary. Benchmark to evaluate model performance based on over 1,400 tasks, individual code batches. Okay, so it did a pretty good like high level research, which is really nice. We got our dot point facts like I asked. One issue is it seems to have forgotten that I've said include the answers to these. So it seems like, you know, it might need a bit of hand holding to do really complex multi-step research. Oh no, here it tried to answer programming languages, which is one of the questions I asked. How many different programming languages? The exact number of languages wasn't specified. Okay, so it looks like none of the sources maybe included that information. That's also a possibility. Ease of use. Okay, that was actually another question that I asked. How easy is it to run? Okay, it looks like I only asked 2 questions. Okay, so ignore what I said about it not being able to do that. It did try to answer them. But I guess the sources didn't really include a straightforward answer to whether it's easy or not, or how many languages it includes. What platform is this on? This is Taskade.com. They have really easy ways to make assistants. We just tried their research assistant, which comes for free. It has tools to like web search and stuff, and you can change the system prompt and the model. Okay, so that was using 4.0. Maybe if we used 03 mini, we might have gotten a better answer. So I'm going to try advanced 03 mini here. And the system prompt looks fine. The tone is fine. We're going to update that. And we're going to rerun this and see if we get a better answer. Can we rerun this? We'll just do a new chat. So this is pretty much the same tools, everything, same prompt, but 03 mini instead of GPT 4.0 to see maybe we can get a better answer. My suspicion is we won't really get a better answer because the info I requested doesn't actually exist on the sites it found. But we'll find out if that's the case or not. Wafik, what's up? Nice beard, thank you. Appreciate you. FH asks, how much money do you make from programming? Not a lot. I charge like 100 to 150 an hour, and I work maybe, let's say like 6 hours a week on that, so you can do the math there. Looks like an error occurred when it searched, but it still did work. Okay, wow, this is actually a more detailed answer, which is pretty good. Oh wow, it actually did give the answer. Okay, so just by changing the model to 03 mini, we're able to get the answer I'm looking for here. Okay, that's really interesting. I did not expect that. Could be also because of the context windows. Like 4.0 I think might have a smaller context window than 03. So yeah, that's something to know. Alright, so that's actually really awesome. I want to make my own agent now that can take this news and write like TikTok scripts for me. So let's try that. We're gonna go, how do I create a new agent here? New workspace. Let's create a new workspace. I'm gonna call this like tech friend content workspace, make it green. I don't think I have a picture. I'll do a laptop. Okay, we could share it, but I'm gonna make it private just to me. That's fine. We don't need to add anyone. Okay, so now I have a workspace specifically for my content, which is really cool. So I could do, I wonder if I could do like, have a research agent. Oh great, we can create our agent with AI as well, which is really cool. Hey, Mesley, have I tried Letta? Example, MemGPT agentic framework. I haven't. Although MemGPT does ring a bell. I don't know if it's the same one, but like back in the day, like when there was no agent with memory, there was something called MemGPT, I think, which like made memory, like a framework for like adding memory to agents. But I haven't heard about that project in a long time. I don't know if it's still relevant. It's probably something different to what you mentioned. Yo, you level up massively on AI since the last time I checked? Oh shit, when was the last time you checked? Yeah, that one, OS like memory. Now it's called Letta. Oh, okay, let's have a look. Rabin asks, what are you trying to achieve? I'm just trying this tool, Taskade. It seems really popular for making agents and automating workflows. And yeah, so far it looks really cool. And yeah, I'm just documenting the process, so I hope you enjoy. We're also talking to chat and checking out things like Letta. Okay, I've definitely clicked on this before. You can see it's purple. Deploy agents that learn. Yes, someone linked this in my Discord, but I haven't tried it. Have you tried it? How is it? Have I tried N8N? Yes, I love N8N. I have tried it. It's good. Open source, which is nice. Off to sleep, Jenku. 2K likes. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Can you run Taskade locally? I don't think so. Taskade is a closed source in the cloud. You're building on it for the last year or two. Oh, sweet. What have you made? May say. Cardi B, welcome back. Thanks for the likes, guys. Appreciate it. Okay. So yeah, I want to make like a research and content creator. If I click this, will it pre-fill? Here we go. Agent that crafts engaging content for blogs, social media, and marketing. Oh, okay, awesome. So I want an agent that researches given topics in the latest AI software tools niche, and provides scripts for videos, scripts and tips for videos in the style of tech friend voice. Now I'm probably gonna have to specify that, but yeah, it's really good. Taskade lets you like upload knowledge and stuff to your agent. So you know, I could make download transcripts of some of my videos and upload that, which I might do really soon. I see through. Thanks for joining, G. FXYZ network. Okay, let's check out Maisley's project. FXYZ.network. So they've made this using Letta. Reshaping financial landscape. Okay, the website doesn't look too great down here. Where can we see cool stuff? Wall of text. Oh, it's on the blockchain. Okay, this is like the doc framework. I forget what it's called. But yeah, do you have like a demo? Project showcase. Okay, just from like 10 seconds of looking at this, it's kind of hard to know exactly what's going on. But thanks for sharing. Oh, it's not Letta? Oh, okay. Okay, AI tools video script agent. You're an agent specializing in the AI tools niche, tasked with researching the latest tools, including scripts, commands, research tool, generate video script. Oh shit, that's a command. Provide video tips, summarize. Okay, so it's made up these. Okay, it's got the scrape wedge page, search web, ask agent, transcribe YouTube video. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's really good that it has its own transcribe YouTube video, because we can build my own voice. See here, there's like knowledge. Here's where I'm going to add. Oh, you can add YouTube. That's sick. Okay, let's try add my YouTube videos. Awesome. That's actually so cool. So I'm gonna build like a knowledge base of some of my popular YouTube shorts, I guess. the ones that have done really well, and then yeah, wow, this one did 10K. So if I add this link, let's see like what kind of stuff it'll get. Okay, add to knowledge. And then maybe some other successful people in my niche, I can copy their videos as well. That would be awesome. Okay, so we have one of my videos, hashtag waifu. Let's just add the top 3 of mine, my shorts at least. Shorts, views, this one, and this one. Okay, oh, that wasn't it. We're gonna add a lot of these YouTube videos here. Cue this one. Does anyone else have any like creators that they really like that I can steal their voice? Like what's some topics that I'm really into? Like AI coding. Let's find some really popular AI coding shorts. Shorts, filter, sort by upload, no, view date, no, view count. Making a game using AI, 26 million views. Damn. AI coding using ChatGPT broke me, 1.2 million views. Let's look at that.
Write a C# method to convert a string to a GUID. Now change it so it returns.
Okay, that's not a very good script, but I mean,
Right.
Something is good. User tech asked a question here.
What is the difference between object-oriented programming and full stack, and you are a programmer?
Object-oriented programming is like a way of programming, you know, where you use objects and their values and classes and inheritance. Full stack just means like, you know, you're building front end and back end. Slothai.xyz, I'm building a platform to create agent in crypto. Oh, awesome. I'll have a quick look. Sloth Agent, a pioneering platform. I like this theme. That's very nice. Designed to revolutionize meme coin and DeFi by providing intuitive AI-powered ecosystem. Yeah, awesome. This looks really nice. It's like a pump fund for agents. Super cool. Super cool, man. Thanks for sharing. And thanks for the rows and likes, guys.
I want to build a YouTube Shorts maker. Do you know how I can generate videos with any tools?
Yeah, there's so many YouTube Shorts makers, even open source tools. Just Google or GitHub. Thanks for all the likes, Crow. But yeah, man, there's so many. I couldn't really recommend you any ones in particular, but I just know there's a lot. I'm trying to find some more AI coding shorts I can. Oh, Fireship is really good.
Last week, Chinese company DeepSeek shocked the world.
Yeah, let's include some Fireship links because they are so good. They have shorts. They do have shorts. There's some AI shorts here. Here.
So I'm coding along just fine, then out of nowhere this error comes up. Man, I hate programming. I know I should have written a test first.
Okay, this is good too. All right, add to knowledge. Okay, so now we have all these videos in my knowledge base, and hopefully I can change the system prompt so it references these. Oh, this one had an error, validation error. Okay, we won't use that one. Oh, and it's training on this. Interesting. I wonder how that works. You can also add your own markdown, add things to Google Drive, from Google Drive, sorry. Yeah, so if I click learn more, maybe it'll tell us more about how the knowledge works. Agent knowledge refers to the information in your custom agents used to provide contextual and accurate responses. Now, this might not be the best place for me to upload things that I want in style. It could just be like knowledge, like, you know, facts and stuff. I'm not too sure. Bulk management, use web resources, choose YouTube. Yeah, so it uses the transcripts from the YouTube videos. That's what we did, because I wanted to kind of make the scripts in the same style as my successful videos, as well as I included 2 of Fireship's videos because I think his scripts are really great. Quickly create a new text resource from scratch. Okay, in the knowledge you can add markdown. Dynamic, this is really cool too. So dynamic knowledge. So if you include like a link, you can have dynamic knowledge, and that's really helpful if like your knowledge base is something that gets updated regularly, and instead of uploading a static file, you can have a dynamic knowledge link that, you know, every time it gets updated, your agent is aware of it. So this is super useful. Like we could put the link to the cursor changelog, for instance, and that way every time they update a new release, we'll know, like, you know, whether that feature is in cursor or not, and, you know, we can reference that. Super cool. Yeah, man, Taskade just makes a lot of these like things that you would need in agents so much easier. So yeah, that's awesome. Looks like it's trained on all of those videos that I included. We have web search, and I'm just gonna double check the system prompt here. Researching the developments and provide scripts and tips in the distinctive style of tech friends voice by referencing the scripts in your knowledge base. Your role includes staying up to date. I think I might remove this. Maybe some tips like the scripts. Maybe like as well as scripts include, as well as the draft script include things like 5 potential starting hooks, video titles, 20 hashtag options, include niche hashtags as well as saturated hashtags. Yeah, just stuff like that. And then maybe like thumbnail ideas, visual hook ideas. Like if we have all of this, that would be super awesome. And then we're definitely going to use the advanced O3 mini because I think that's the best model. The tone we're going to leave as default because I wanted to pick up the tone from my knowledge base. I don't know how well that would work. Bernard, thanks for the like. Okay, so we have this AI tools agent. We're going to chat to it. I wanted to research on the SWE Lancer project. Create scripts and ideas for the I'm going to say create a script and ideas for the SWE Lancer project released by OpenAI on the 18th of Feb 2025. I'm going to say research and create a script. Okay, very simple prompt, but because, sorry, one sec. Very simple prompt that I gave it, but because it has all that system prompt and knowledge base, it should be able to do exactly what I want. And I only need to give it a very small prompt to start off with. Bernard, it's been a while. Yeah, man. How long has it been? Okay, there we go. You can see it's done its YouTube, not YouTube, it's done its web search. Okay, no, retrieve knowledge. I don't know if that's a web search or just like a check in the knowledge. I think that's just a check in the knowledge base. We'll see. We'll just let it cook, shall we say. We can play some music as well here. Oh damn, it's straight to it. Awesome, dude, just like I asked. Wow, this is great. You can see just like I asked, it's given the script potential starting hooks, video title ideas, and hashtag options. Wow, thumbnail ideas, visual hook ideas, wow. And it's even given the sources where it found the information. Let's see how accurate the info is. Hey tech friends, what's up? Is that what I've done in my scripts? I don't know. I'm Harash Jubandi, and today we're diving headfirst into, I guess this is very similar to Fireship's transcript. So I think that's where this came from. I mean, it's not bad. It's good for a YouTube video. And then for TikTok videos, we can use these hooks. What if coding could be as effortless as having an AI sidekick? Hey tech friends, tired of juggling? Okay, so it'd be really good if I give it some like really good example hooks. These could be better. But just the fact that it's able to do exactly what I asked for in the system prompt is super sick. Yeah, and it's like segmented all the different parts of the script in different aspects. Yeah, this is really sick. I really like this. You know, it would be awesome if it had, I don't think it does, but if it had like a image generation tool. Yeah, and look at all these like commands we got. Research AI tool, this is so sick. I don't know how legit this is though. Yeah, the actual content doesn't seem too great, but like that's the first try. I think, yeah, it didn't do web search. So I think we can change the script and be like, research on the web about, wait, I have a test. What if I just put just the topic? What will it do then? Oh, what was that? Oh, it's like a thank you for following, I think. Xname1, I appreciate you. All right, let's see. If I just give the topic without telling it to create a script, I think it will still create a script because it's in the system prompt. As you can see here. So that's really good. That saves me writing a whole prompt every time. And you know, we can even in here, we can tell it to use the
Thank you, my friend.
Make sure to use web research on Ubani. Thank you for the follow. Make sure to use web research to research the topic before writing script. Okay, so if I specify that, I'm pretty sure it should always do the web research, because here it didn't say that it did, and normally I think when it does it will say. So let's try that one more time. Bernard says, this is my first time seeing you live stream on TikTok. Oh, have I been missing it? No, I think activate this workspace. Okay. I think I normally don't stream at this time, so yeah, I guess you're in the part of the world where this time was inconvenient for me. Normally I'm in Australia and it's like 7 a.m. right now ish in Australia, almost 7 a.m., 6:40 a.m. So I would just be like waking up just now. Okay, I had to upgrade my workspace, but let's try that one more time. There's also automations and structured outputs. Awesome. Yeah, I see through. You're a big fan of Taskade? Yeah, man, it's really cool. I mean, I'm only really starting to use it today. You're in Ghana? Oh, okay. My live streams are at dawn. Got it. Okay, still didn't see it use the search. Let me double check that we definitely have web search on as a tool. Search web, yep, definitely there. great webpage. Ask agent, transcribe YouTube videos, turn that off. Create post, turn that off. I guess this one's called search web tool. Always use search web tool first. It'd be really good if I don't have to tell it to do that every time. I just want to give it a topic. But I don't know, let's do one more test. Is it free and available to everyone? No, Taskade has a free tier, and it's public, available to everyone, but it's not fully free. There's paid limits and stuff, as you get with most of these like closed source good tools. Okay, so it did knowledge retrieval, but it's not. I should mention knowledge retrieval is used. Oh, no, didn't do search web again. Let's just keep prompt engineering this. So this always, okay, so maybe this doesn't work as well. So I'm going to remove that. I'm going to add this. Search web first to get facts on the topic. Knowledge retrieval is used to get style of script from examples. So maybe this is how I'd have to prompt it. Am I a Python programmer? I don't identify as a specific Python programmer, but yes, I've done a lot of programming with Python. What is full stack development? I told you it's both front end and back end. So both like the UI websites as well as the back end, like servers and databases. That's the full stack. So the front end stack is like the web page, the app, what you see on the front end. The back end is like the servers and the databases, what you don't see. But it's necessary. AI tool script agent finished. Okay. Still cooking though. Okay, this is good. This is actually facts. 1,400 tasks. Okay. So I think that's working really good now. I just have to prompt it to search the web first, etc. every time. That's really cool. And yeah, let's look at automation so we can get kind of this thing to run every day in like a workflow. That would be sick. Where do I find that? Here we go, automations. What's teams? AI teams. Oh, we can combine different agents. So first we have a research agent and then we have a script making agent. That could actually be better because as we saw, there's a bit of like confusion between the agent that tries to do both the research and the script making. Like it doesn't always do the research. So having a team could be really cool. I might do that. Yeah, oh that's sick, look at this demo. Okay, so you can see they can like include different agents to the team. And yeah, and then one agent could do like research and the other could make the script. I think that's sick. They don't work much together. It picks the best one. Oh, really? Okay, so maybe Teams isn't what I want. Automation, connecting AI agents with Taskade projects. Oh, this is sick. So there's like a list of tasks, and I could have like, mind the tech friend, content, workspace. Can I create a task from this screen? Maybe if I press, no. Yes, quick add. Workspace. can quickly add like SWE lands by OpenAI 18th Feb 2024. 25. If I add that, what is that? Okay, maybe this isn't for tasks. Oh, you can bring up the agent on the side here. That's pretty cool. You can create workflows to make them work together via automation. Okay, so automations seem like the thing I want. Projects. Oh. New list, new board, new calendar, new table, new mind map, new org chart, new Gantt chart. Very cool. New folder. Video ideas. Let's try video ideas. Don't really need to share it. Okay. Create new AI agent, AI team, automation. I think I'm gonna create it. Okay, I'm gonna go back to this the script agent. How do I do that? I guess by clicking this. Can we edit the agent? We're gonna turn off web search from this agent. I don't know what ask an agent. I'm gonna turn off that. Actually, we'll leave this. We don't need that either. And then and we'll remove researching. You are an agent specializing in writing scripts and specializing in the writing of scripts and video tips for the AI software tools niche in the distinctive style of Tech Friend's voice by referencing the scripts in your knowledge base as well as the draft scripts. Include things like this. Yes, okay. Okay, that's good. So this is only going to write the script. And now we're going to create a new agent for research specific AI tools or topics provided and extract dot point facts which can then be passed on to a script writing agent. Yeah, I think this is a good idea to separate them. Oh, head color, thanks for the like. Okay, you're a specialized research assistant agent focused on investigating AI tools and topics, accurate information, extract facts. Yeah, this is really good. Search AI topics. I don't know about like these commands. I don't feel like I'd ever use them. We don't need to draft an email. Oh, this can run other agent commands. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this seems like it has a lot of potential and I'm just scratching the surface. So, scrape web page, okay. Okay, this is cool. let's just chat to this by itself. Like let's just get it to research on this by OpenAI released 18th Feb 2025. Let's see. So I'm expecting a dot point list of facts researched by this agent. Why is it not possible to buy stream torrent sites? Stream torrent site? I'm not really sure what you're trying to get. Benchmark. Okay, this is perfect. This is so good. Okay, let's try the automations now. So we can get both these to work together. We're gonna go to automations here, create automation. Oh wow, they have templates, generate sound. This is awesome. We're gonna start from scratch. What kind of triggers can we get? Oh wow, this is sick. So we can get it to trigger from when a new task is created. Yeah, let's do that. Trigger when a task is assigned, when a task is added, yep. Task is added to, oh, we don't have any projects. Okay, first I have to create a project. Let's create a project, let's quit this. So we have folder projects. Okay, start from scratch, new list. Oh, this is sick, dude. This is so sick. Video ideas. And then this is my first idea. Wait, why isn't it like this? Okay. SWE Lancer by OpenAI released 18th Feb 2025. Okay, that's my first project and ideas. Why isn't this called video ideas? Hello, video ideas. Okay, great. And now back to automations. Oh, we have it here. So when a new task is added to video ideas, all right, we're gonna do AI agent run, ask the AI agent, which agent? First we need the research agent to task content. That's it. We just want plain text. Oh, we can even do structured output from the agent. That's really sick. I think plain text will work fine here. And then we'll get that agent to call another agent. That's sick. Oh no. Where's the other agent I have? Oh, I don't think it's in this folder. Hold on, I'm gonna save changes. So I think the other oh yeah, I only have research agent here. No, I can't clone an agent. Oh, that's super annoying. This agent is, oh, share agent. No, oh, damn it. Wait, copy agent. Yeah, here we go. Okay, cool. Okay, so this agent is now in video ideas. This is sick. This is actually so sick. It like keeps them all separate in folders and projects. That is so sick. Okay, so now back to this. We're gonna call this script research and draft script draft video. So this will research and draft a video from an idea. So from the research agent, we now go to the script agent and we get the result from the other agent, and we go into the script and we say, actually we'll just leave it plain text. Okay, save changes. Now can I manually run this? Run, nope, manage, what's this? Turn active, okay. It's now active. Will it run? Can I manually trigger? I don't know if I can manually trigger this. Doesn't look like I can. Okay, we might have to wait 5 minutes. It's kind of annoying. Surely there's a manual trigger, no? Doesn't look like a manual trigger. I can add that to my feedback. Manually trigger automation. There should be a way to manually trigger automation. For testing. Manual trigger run workflow. Okay, it looks like it's already, okay, it's planned. Dude, this is a really cool way they capture feedback. You can really tell that the Taskade people are doing a lot of things right. Alright, might just wait 5 minutes, I guess. Hey Paul, what's up? XAI verdict? Are you talking about Grok 3? I don't know, I haven't tried it. We're gonna wait till the dust settles. I think it's too early to call it. Do I have a sign-up code? Good question, man. I think I might. I mean, why is it not possible to build torrent stream websites? I mean, it's probably possible. Why wouldn't it be possible? I mean, they exist. Someone's built them. Do I have a coupon code for Taskade? Honestly, I don't think I do. Code. I'll have a look. I don't think I do, but I can ask for one. I can ask for one, yeah. You just want to give me credit? Oh, you want just a referral code? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Partnership? Yeah. Join the affiliate program. Refer new users to urge commission. Yeah, I have one. It's via Arash Jubandi. Can I change this? No. Yeah, user, I appreciate it. I don't know if you can copy links from TikTok. Oh, the LLMs didn't allow you. Yeah, man, a lot of LLMs have safeguards because obviously torrenting is used for piracy. So yeah, you'll have to use, I guess, either an uncensored LLM or you'd have to prompt engineer to jailbreak the LLM to be able to do it. Okay, I think, has it been 5 minutes? This hasn't run yet. Maybe we can change the trigger to instant. Oh no, task assigned is instant. Yeah, we could do that. Who should we assign it to? Video ideas. Okay, let's try this. This will hopefully be an instant trigger when I guess I can assign it to a workflow. Let's have a look here. How do I assign this? You can't assign an individual task, it looks like. Check, highlight, sort, add on, assign, here we go. Assign to, nope. What? Look, I have to figure out how this works. So, task assigned. But who? To who do I assign it? Trigger it when, oh, a task is assigned to anyone. Okay. I guess when I assign it to anyone, it instantly, new comment, new due. Okay, let's do a new due date instead of assign, because I think that'll be easier to trigger. And then we'll go into the project again. And now I can add a due date somehow. Due date. Add due date here. Tomorrow. Save. Okay, hopefully this will trigger now. Yes, it's running. Okay, awesome. That's so good. Refresh. Retry. Oops, didn't mean to retry. Okay, awesome. It's running. Let's wait. More music. And then where does the output go? That's actually a good question. I guess I forgot to do something with the output. Okay, when it's finished. Oh, we could add it to Google Sheets. That's actually pretty sick. Or a Google Doc. That is actually really cool. Or a Twitter post. Wow, there's actually so much we can do. I guess we could add a task. I guess we could add a task. Add task to the video ideas. Content. The result from the second agent. At the end, how does it know which block? It needs to be from the, I don't know, whatever, we'll just try that. Okay, so this completed, but I don't know where it went, because I guess I didn't output it. So maybe we can just like remove the due date and add it again, and it will trigger again, hopefully. Let's have a look. Yeah, okay, sweet. Okay, now hopefully it'll add the idea to it, like a new task or something here. Okay, but in the future, I guess I'd want it to be maybe a Google Doc or something. I don't know. I haven't figured out that far yet. What's the I also wanted to see what media. Convert file to text. Oh, we could make it a text. Oh no, it's the opposite. That's an input. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Yeah, man, Taskade. I'm actually really happy with it. Okay, so this one completed. Let's see if we got, oh wow, and there we go. We have the everything in here. That is sick. So yeah, I think I'd probably integrate Google Docs. Yeah, this is sick. This is so sick. It's fun to watch me figure it out. I'm glad. Oh, it's fun to play with it. I'm really like, yeah. Like when these tools like this work, it's actually amazing. It's not often that they just all work like this so gracefully. So yeah, it was really cool to watch. You can do webhooks too, yeah. That's really cool. That is actually so cool. Dude, I want to start integrating all my platforms now, I think. So like integrating X, let's see how that would go. So from here, instead of adding a task, let's say like make a tweet. I think create a post. We need to connect Twitter. How hard is this? API key access token. Yeah, this stuff's pretty easy to get. I'm gonna do that after a little break. I'm gonna get some more coffee, and then when I come back, we're gonna take the research that we did with the researcher agent, and we're gonna get it to make a Twitter post, which I think will be super cool. Yeah. So I think I'll make a new agent called like a Twitter making agent and feed it with some knowledge of like successful tweets. Yeah. What Claude Sonnet is great for coding? That other LLM. Bro, you need to reword that question. I don't think that's a very good prompt. But if you're asking what other LLM is good at coding, I like to go by the Azure leaderboards. And you can see Claude Sonnet is here. Then we got O3 Mini, DeepSeek R1, O1. This is only like an Azure thing, will like architect the model. But yeah, probably these reasoning models seem to outperform Sonnet. For like more complex stuff, for like basic stuff, Claude is probably really good. You can check out the older leaderboard. But yeah, that gives you a kind of idea of this leaderboard. There's also like another leaderboard, like the Big Bench leaderboard. This is also decent to look at. Yeah, I'd look at those leaderboards. Anyway, I'm going to be back in not too long, and then we'll continue. I'm just gonna get my X API keys before we continue. It's a bit loud, huh? All right, we now have X connected, so we can, yo, chill guy, what's up, thanks for the likes. So we can make a post, but, you know, before we do that, I'm gonna make a specific agent for making X posts. So we'll leave this automation here, we'll go back, we're gonna go to AI agents, gonna create a new agent from scratch, and we're gonna call it X post creator. And let's have a look at their prompts. X post Twitter post. Refine Twitter posts for peak engagement. Analyze and draft tweet and provide a score out of 10 for engagement potential. Wow. They have a lot of Twitter stuff. Formulate a Twitter thread narrating a story. Oh, that's actually awesome. What? That's probably not great for a system prompt, but you know, you can do commands. And here we can make like those Twitter threads. Damn, I wonder, maybe they have a template for this already. Browse templates, let's have a look. Twitter. No. Damn. We generate from AI. Create a Twitter post or thread designed for maximum engagement. Ooh, maximum engagement. Damn, we have bots on Twitch as well. Someone posts something to get rid of the bot message. I'll do it. Wait. Damn it, I'm not on. I'll post on TikTok. Damn it, spammed it. Who's in the TikTok chat? Is mine broken? Because I just paused the video. I hope the chat still works. I'll fix it if it doesn't. Okay. You're a social media strategist, Twitter content designer, maximum engagement. Your goals are growing competitive to capture a trend. Compose engaging tweet, draft engaging thread, analyze trending hashtags. Oh shit. Oh, you can even post it on LinkedIn. That's actually really good. I don't know why we'd need to create an event, but that's really good. Now for knowledge, I want to add examples of good tweets. So let's look for some good tweets. In my niche at least. How do we do that? I think if we search for like, what's an interesting topic? Like lovable top. Like a thread. 25K, that's pretty good. 14K. 14, 20, 19, 1.8. Oh shit. I came up. This is like a video. A lot of these posts have video. There's like no text only posts, which is interesting. Okay. This post did really well. Here, this guy has really good text only posts that do really well. Let's have a look at some examples here. This one, yeah, 32K. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Add text. Good tweet examples. Example 1. Example 2. We'll just do like 3 examples. All by this guy. Here. Wait, no, we'll do one that did really well. 67K, that's really good. Yeah, let's go back to that. 67K. Here. Oh, this one's a thread, which is good. So we can like example tweet, example thread. Like, and first post. Start first post, end first post. Start second post. And second post. Amoeba, thanks for the chat. For the like. Start third post. And third post. Start fourth post. This is a bit tedious. Yo, mobs, what's up? We're trying out Taskade. It's really good. You can make like custom agents and workflows, and they make it super easy. Right now I'm trying to build like a Twitter agent. I'm just copying some examples of like some good performing codes. Let's just do like final post. I don't know if this one's gonna be that good. To be honest, this one might actually ruin it. Anyway, it'll be a good. Yeah, it trains on the knowledge base, which is really cool. Whatever that means. And okay, so now we have a tweet agent, right? Yep, Twitter post agent. Okay, so now we're going back to the workflows. Here, instead of create a Twitter post, we can add the Twitter agent. Twitter agent, and then we'll take the output from the research agent, which is that one, and output in structured output. Ooh. This is pretty cool. New field 1, this could be posts, text, post content, yeah, and then, wait, this is an array. JSON array. Yo, huge dose. What are you doing this early? Yeah, I'm actually in San Francisco now. It's 1:20 p.m. Oh, Metasando, what's up? Meta, you changed your like name and picture like 4 times this week, I feel. Okay, so there's a list of posts. Let's try that, maybe? I don't know, let's just do plain. Because like, how will it do a thread is my question. Yeah, I think we have to do plain text because the X create a post. Oh, it could reply to post recursively. Ooh. Maybe that agent can do it. Maybe, look, hold on, let's go back. There's a chance that we can get the agent to post itself. The way to do that is to give it tools, create post. Oh, it already has it. Manual approval. The agent will pause and ask you to approve before running. I don't know how this will work. I guess we also would want create reply. X reply. It doesn't have it. I don't know. mean, let's just run it. I don't know if it'll work. So in the automation, I do call the, oh, we can change the names here to make it a bit easier to understand. So this is a research agent. This one's a video script agent. And this one's the X post agent, okay? Yeah, so now if I save these changes, if we go to this projects and I change the due date here, let me just delete all this from testing before. If I add the due, so this triggers on the due date, so when I make a due date on this task, this is just a video idea topic, it will trigger the workflow. Is this? It will trigger the workflow, so we can go back to the workflows, or automation, I guess it's called. Oh, it wasn't active, so it wouldn't have triggered. Okay. We'll change the due date again. Now it should trigger the workflow. Nope. New due date. Yeah, it should have. Huh. Weird. Maybe if I... Oh, I guess changing the date won't work, but if I create a due date, that might... Yeah, there we go. It's triggered the workflow. So now, I'm not sure, because I don't have it on automatic posting. I'm gonna see if the agent creates a post. I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna work. We're gonna see. We're gonna find out. There is an inbox. So I'm not sure. We'll see. I was mistaken for my name. Isabel? Or you prefer Isabel or Meta? Threads are weird when a person can just post a long tweet. Yeah, well, that's the whole point. The thread is like engagement farming. So they make, like, so you have to click like view conversation to see the long tweet. Well, see the thread, and that's like fake engagement. Well, I guess you can just see more in a big tweet. I don't know. I don't know which one's better for the algorithm. Okay, so did this finish? Okay, so that completed. Now, I'm not sure, like, we're unable to see like details of each step, it seems. So I can't really see the output for each step, unfortunately, unless you specify. And yeah, there's nothing that says this made a tweet, unfortunately. So I might have to manually tell it to tweet. Let me double check. Bless me. Double check that I didn't tweet. Yeah, I didn't tweet. So I guess in the automation, I'm just gonna have it tweet manually. Create a post. And we'll get the output from the X agent and we'll create that post. Okay. So now it should actually create a tweet. Let's see if that'll work. Didn't trigger. Oh, I need to update it maybe. Oh, for some reason the trigger or action is not valid. Okay, something wrong here. Oh, I didn't choose the auth account. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, now it's active. Now I'll create a due date. And now it should trigger, please. What the hell? Why didn't it trigger? Okay, it's not active anymore. Okay, now it's active. And we make a due date. And there we go, it triggered. Okay, so hopefully when this finishes, we'll have a tweet. Hey yo, what's up? This is taskade.com. It's a platform that makes making agents pretty easy. Automations, tools, prompt templates. It does quite a lot, actually. But yeah, I'm just using it to automate my content creation workflow, which includes researching topics, drafting scripts, video titles, descriptions, and making tweets. So right now we tried to get it to make a tweet, and I think it probably would have finished by now. So I'm going to check my X profile and let's see if we have a tweet. Oops, I went to some random post. Nope, we don't have a tweet yet. Okay, it's still running. I did have it do like 4 different things. Any limit to amount of tweets? Yeah, so I'm using the X Developer API, and that's probably what's limiting it. X Developer API limits. I think it's something like 26 calls a month. Create post. Yeah, let me see. Post tweets, something like this. The free tier, 17 requests in 24 hours, maybe. I don't know if that's the tweet post, but yeah, it is limited by X API. Looks like 17 posts per 24 hours. That's pretty good. It's a lot better than I expected. I thought it was like 30 a month. The URL is barely visible. Let me type it out for you, bro. There you go. I hope that's visible enough for you. You're welcome. Okay, is that finished? 80%. Oh, create post failed with error 403. That's a shame. I don't know how I can debug this, to be honest. That is a shame. Is there anything on 403? Nope. Create a reply, thanks. Create a post. Link, reference, link to the post. Read and write. Maybe my permissions aren't right. Let's see. Where do I check the permissions? I already did it. I think I did all this. Yeah, I would have definitely had read and write. Oh, the callback URL. This is probably the issue. Right, let's create a new project if we can. Manage. I don't know if I can create a new project. Or like, can I change the callback URL? I'm gonna have to hide my screen for this. Oh, Sagar, what's up, bro? Can X LinkedIn ban you for automated AI posts? Yeah, if you're not following their procedure, and you're doing it like web scraping or automation, definitely. But I'm using the official X API, so they shouldn't be able to ban me for that. Kareem, thanks for the like. What's up, man? I don't see anywhere I can change the redirect. Might be because your post is over 280 characters. Oh, that's actually a good point. That's actually a very good point. Thanks, Rhett. That could be it. That definitely could be it. I don't know how to debug the workflow. That is a big issue here that I'm seeing. I don't know how we can do that. I guess we could put it in the system prompt. I might leave it, I don't want to debug on stream, so I might leave this to another day, but I think you guys get the idea with Taskade. We were able to do quite a lot, create different agents to do different things, scripting, making posts, researching the web. Yeah. Kareem, I see you and I have the motivation, awesome. Can it do basic SEO workflows or automation with ads? Yeah, I think so. Definitely. The tools are limited, but it can do web search, it can like scrape websites, it can post to various platforms. So I'm not sure what you want to automate with ads. It might not be able to do stuff with like, you know, the ad platforms itself though. There are webhooks though, so if there's an exposed webhook, I think that could work. But yeah, I'm not sure. Still very cool. I think I'm gonna move on from Taskade, but I think, yeah, I'm really impressed with it. So shout out to Taskade. All right, let's see what we have next on the list. Taskade, check. Use warp. It's kind of like an overall thing. Test sprite. This is something I've been meaning to check out. Easiest agent for software testing. This is something we definitely need. And yeah, I'm gonna look into it. We're just gonna chill for like a couple minutes. Maybe I'll check my X bookmarks too. Oh, this, bro. This is the vibe. I'm trying to get in this apartment. Actually, I want to show you guys my view somehow. Let's see. I don't think the quality on this is going to be very good. Actually, that's... Hold on, let me try something else. Let's try this. Let's try this. Copy. Let's try that again. did I do this? I haven't used this in a while. Hold on, let me double check how I did this. Do I have this? Oh, I don't even have it. I wonder if I uninstalled it. I think we can install it with brew. Brew install. Yeah, let's do that. You'd get no work done there? Why? You just look out the window? Okay, let's try. What the hell? Alright, let me try it with iTerm. Did it install? Oh. Wait. Is ADB? Okay, we do have ADB. At runtime, ADB must be accessible. Brew install cost. Let me try it. Maybe it's a warp thing? I doubt it. Yeah, no such command start server. Maybe I need a special version. Let me check there. No such command. Okay, he doesn't even have ADB. So we could try debug this with warp. It suggested, like, if I look, you can go. It suggests like install ADB CLI. If I press enter, is it going to use brew? Yeah, this is pretty cool. So it spins up an agent to debug whatever issues I had. It's going to try install Android platform tools, which should have ADB and a bunch of other stuff. It's probably the right idea. Shout out to Warp. Oh, why is my camera so small now? The fuck? The fuck? That's weird. It definitely wasn't this small before. Was it? What's the topic today? Before we were doing, whoa, and it's all the way over here. We were doing Taskade, which was a really powerful platform for creating AI agents and workflows. And now I'm just chilling while I want to show my view of this room with my Android phone. Let's see. Let's verify. Okay, so ADB version didn't work. Okay, it says it worked here. So I'm using this tool called Screen Copy. SCRCPY. And if you have your Android plugged in with, oh shit, with USB cable, it should be able to like stream your phone. But I'm getting some issue here. I don't know why. Seems like the ADB command isn't working properly. Yeah, and we're letting Warp agent figure it out. So Warp is a terminal which has its own AI agent and other AI tools. So we can do stuff like debugging. Yeah. autonomously. The issue, okay, so it's saying the issue, there's two versions of ADB on my system, one by PyEnv and one by Homebrew. The PyEnv is taking precedence. Okay, so we pretty much have to uninstall the PyEnv one. Sounds like a plan. I'll copy this. Or we can run in terminal with one click, supposedly. I mean, it didn't seem to work. There's also voice input in Warp. Let's see if this works. Run the PyEnv uninstall package Android platform tools. That was pretty close. It's like I didn't say the dash stuff. I probably shouldn't have said run the, but yeah, it's pretty much. Oh, and we're also in. Oh, actually, because we were in an agent mode, we could have. Actually, let's go agent. So you go agent mode with Command I. Now we're gonna do. Let me turn off this other one. You can hold FN to do the voice. Uninstall the Android platform tools from the PyEnv. Okay, so this is natural language, but it's getting fed into Claude Sonnet. So Claude should be able to run the PyEnv command to uninstall Android platform tools. Oh, it's trying to do it with. Okay, I guess it didn't take this into context. So can we add this into context somehow? It says command up is attach context. Oh, we can go keep going command up. No, which one do I want? This is only the output. Let me just copy this. Like there's two. Remove the PyEnv version. The root Android phones? Yeah. These days you don't really need to root to do a lot of stuff. Hey, okay, so now it's saying just use the RM function to delete the shim for ADB. Sounds good to me. It's also going to verify that it's the Homebrew ADB version now, and looks like that worked. All right, so hopefully I can just go screen copy, and we can get this working. Yes. Oh shit. So I keep forgetting I'm in agent mode, so it doesn't actually run the commands. It just first sends it to an LLM to then do it. All right, I think it's working. Oh no, it's gonna work. So now we can press ESC to get into normal mode. And I can run screen copy. Yeah, that's much better. There we go, guys. Okay, so now we can see my screen. Yeah, it's about as big as it gets, I guess. And we can go in here, and I can show you the view. Hopefully, I'm still talking. Yeah, check it out. This is Coit Memorial with, that looks like a balloon to the side there. Oh, it's a love heart shaped balloon. That's so cool. And yeah, the bay. Super nice. And then we here. Streaming. How cool is that? How cool is that? This is so cool. So cool. That was it. What country? America. You thought all devs used Apple? We do. Apple MacBooks. But yeah, I've been on Android phone for a long time. Alright, let's move on. What was I doing? Oh yeah, test sprite. So yeah, AI agent for software testing. This is a pretty big need for a lot of us. We've used a lot of AI tools that do software development, but when it comes to actually like testing autonomously, I feel like there's a lot of room there for improvement. I feel like my camera, I don't know, somehow just like switched up on me, so I'm just trying to increase the little, you know what I'm saying? Increase the width and stuff. There we go. I travel with those monitors? No, I don't. This is a sublet, and they were nice enough to leave the monitors here. All right, there we go. I think the screen is good now. Yeah, let's continue. Ensure end-to-end confidence. That's a pretty big one too. Like, I use Aider for testing software, but there are end-to-end testing frameworks that I've used, but if we can get an actual agent who's specifically for end-to-end testing, that'd be awesome. So I use like Cypress, which can do end-to-end testing, but it wasn't like, it left a lot, you know, to be desired, let's just say. It needs a lot of like manual configuration also. Whereas this is an AI testing agent, so you'd assume that a lot of it is automated and you don't have to configure much yourself. Do I have a Windows computer? I do at home, but when I'm traveling, I use my MacBook. Inspect the test object, inspects test object, ingest docs, also accept custom instructions, generate a plan, create the test code, execute the test case, analyze the results. Yeah, I mean, so it does UI testing, which is good. But I think like for some of my tools, like I'm developing like a multimodal voice agent, and I don't really see how that would work, like testing the voice input. You know, some of this stuff, like you can only go so far for agents. I don't think any tool would be able to do that. I don't know. I mean, it's probably possible. Front-end testing, back-end testing, data testing, whoops. Agent model testing, that's pretty cool too. Get started today. They have a Discord, enterprise need. Backed by Techstars, they're in, well, they hit #1 on Product Hunt. That's pretty cool. First on the month for developer tools, that's pretty good. I feel like I might need like an onboarding call. How many hours do I work at a desk per day? A lot. I have a stand desk at home, but here I don't. I don't know, on average, I'd say like 7 hours behind the desk. I know it's not good, but it's a grind set. Let's have a look at that get started docs. Nice video walkthrough. Okay, let's look at this.
Hello everyone, I'm Ring Hao. Today I'm going to introduce you Test Sprite.
The easiest AI agent for software testing. Getting it started is simple and quick. Let me show you how Test Sprite works. For back-end testing, all you need is your API details. No complicated setups. Test Sprite instantly creates a comprehensive test plan, covering various testing categories such as functional tests, error handling, security tests, boundary tests, edge cases, and more, ensuring your APIs are fully covered. You can customize the test cases if needed, or simply hit Next and let Test Sprite handle the rest. It writes the code, runs the tests, and flags any issues, all automatically. When an issue arises, Test Sprite dives deep to analyze the root cause, and even suggest how to fix it. It's like having a testing expert at your fingertips. If you need changes, just chat with the agent. TestSprite understands and adjusts everything for you. Front-end testing is just as easy. Share your website link and TestSprite takes care of the rest. It writes the code, tests your UI, and even provides a screen recording of what's happening. Finally, you get a full report with everything you need. All test execution results, summarization on whether your product is ready to go, and you can save those results into your GitHub account at any moment. TestSprite offers a free version for early adopters. It's a simple, effective way to save time, effort, and money on testing. Sign up today and see how TestSprite can transform your testing process.
Okay, that was just back-end testing and didn't really seem too innovative. But yeah, what do I do for a living? Yes, freelance software dev and content creation and side project hustle. I have a problem. I can't do more than 20 minutes of deep focused work at a desk. Oh, why not? What's the issue? Like, you just feel uncomfortable, or do you work better in other situations? Am I a developer in Android Studio? No, I've like avoided Android Studio as much as I can. Is there any AI agent that can log into your web app to test? Yeah, I mean, this is kind of what this is trying to do. Pretty much any agent that could do code execution, you can equip it with a testing framework and it should be able to pilot that as well, which is what I'd been doing. And then there's browser use as well. Browser use agents. Yeah. Alright, let's see what their front end testing looks like. I assume they use something like Playwright? Does that mean it's only for web apps? Yeah, web apps. Yeah, okay, I might leave this. I might think of a use case to try it on, but yeah, I think definitely having tools that help with AI autonomous testing and development, I think would be really good. I mean, that's what we're interested in, so I will look more into it, but for now, I think I'm going to leave it. Am I creating software to research AI? What does that mean? How do you actually do it? Yeah, I mean, I did a bit of that at the start of this stream. If you want to see my live streams back, go to youtube.com/@techfriend and then click the live tab here and you can see all of my other streams. So this one on Taskade. Taskade is what I've used this stream to kind of do automating the research and content creation. So you can look into that if you want. Otherwise, actually, I'd probably recommend just waiting, because I will be making like shorts and edited videos from the live stream, which will be way more easier to watch. You know, there won't be any, you know, like bits in the middle, me taking breaks, talking to chat, all that crap. Joker, what's up? I'll see you, Isabel. Arguing with an LLM, I gave access to the web. It says the White House Gov is outdated because Trump. Sonia asked, what days am I live? Unfortunately, I don't have a schedule, but yeah, I mean, I guess, yeah, it's still kind of the case. I don't really have a set schedule, so it's kind of like, surprise, I'm live. It would be nice to have a schedule, but my life is just not very rigid. It's very all over the place, so it's kind of hard to have a schedule. Yeah, there's a bunch of other stuff which is cool, news and stuff that I wanted to look at, but I think for this stream we're just gonna leave it at the Taskade stuff, and we will have another stream for this other stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for being here. I think we're gonna wrap it up. For those guys who are in there longer, please, thank you so much. Shout out to the top likers: Ronald Duck, Senku, Karim, Chill Guy, Cardi B, Bernard, Luki. Yeah, really helpful. Everyone who's chatted, User Tech, Sonia, Alexi, Mobs, Joker, what's up, man? I see through. Thank you guys. Yeah,
Thank you, my friend.
I'll be editing these videos and posting them on TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, LinkedIn, Instagram, X. So whatever your platform is, hopefully I'm on it, and I'll see you there. Also, you know, obviously I should plug my Discord as well. We are chatting there. You get the latest news right away as it happens right here. Shout out to Pierre for letting me know about this. Open sourcing an uncensored version of R1. Shout out to Perplexity for doing that. Yeah, you can find all that out plus more on the stream. I mean, on the Discord. And if you want to see all those links, by the way, you can go to techfriend.net. And yeah, all these icons up the top, that's all the social links. It's all free. I don't have any paid content yet. I don't know, I might at one point, but for now, everything is free. Discord community is free. You can book my time, that is paid. And then there we have, like, you know, a dedicated consultation where you have 100% of my attention. You can find that as well on techfriend.net. Can we DM you? You can. I don't normally reply to DMs. I'd say I reply to maybe like 20 to 10% of my DMs, because there's just a lot of people that are just like asking for general help, which takes a lot of time, you know, and I don't really have time for that. But if it's just like a quick question that I can reply to and you structure the question really well, I can help. There's actually a website that kind of like explains my issue. It's like don'tasktoask.com, I think. Is this it? Yeah, don't ask to ask. So like, don't DM me saying like, can you help, or do you know Java? I'm not going to reply. But if you have like, you know, a specific question that's like, do you know about this X or Y or Z? It's something that I can like spend less than 10 minutes on and reply to you. I might do that. Or if you have like a opportunity that could benefit me, I might reply there as well. Anyway, thanks guys so much, and hopefully see you next stream. Do I have a thank you screen? Oh my god, this is a bad... Hold on. Let me fix up my thank you stream while we're here. Okay, that's better.